Hey y'all, we're at the wig shop and today I'm going to do a frontal lace front piece, and this is Chandler. And Chandler, why do you want to get a hairpiece?
I have always wanted to do a hairstyle where I could pull my hair back, but I've never been confident enough with my forehead. I feel like it's always shown too much, and so I'd like to just bring my forehead down a little bit. My hairline to about right there.
All right. So I got him colored to match the piece, and so let's do it. So now I'm trimming the lace. So you want to trim it right up to the hairline. I'm gonna trim this lace. Okay, you're gonna need the blue liner for the lace front. Now you can wear this piece with just tape, or you can use tape and glue. With just tape. You want to peel the blue side off first. Okay. And you're going to take the edges and just put right at the edge here. Peel off the white piece. There. Got the whole piece covered with the blue liner tape, the lace front tape, because I don't want to put glue directly on the lace. I want it on the tape. Getting ready to put the ultra hold glue on the scalp, and then it's going to have to dry. You want it 4 fingers from the eyebrow. Bring it down. Bring its hairline down. We measured Chandler to be about 1.5 inches. That's how far it needs to come down. So I had to measure the piece and cut it to 1.5 inches. So we got the glue on. You want to get the glue where it's dry to where it's just tacky, like that. So the natural hairline is about 4 fingers from the eyebrow. So that's where we're gonna, right here's where we're gonna put it. So here we And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to trim these ends once I get this bonded. Alright. This was a little long. I don't want the haircut.